welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy Goodman. For those who are new, you guys are most welcome. In this video, I am finally getting around to doing an original. It is called King in a Volcano Dream. I hope you guys enjoy. It is a feisty song about a rocky relationship, of course. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
Stories all about some glory. Sang songs the loudest to prove you were the proudest. I paused it, I caught it, I saw. In the end, I saw you still throwing the fist in the wall that would wreck us all. I thought out the present, and it was never elegant. You and I, oh, lost in our lives. I knew it wasn't right. The careless talks were awakening. Realized you were faking. I don't want to waste your time. You can be the king in your own volcano dreams. You can be the king in your own volcano dreams. Lectures to myself, asking if you could be more sympathetic. But the ego got to you, careless mood swings to the king in a volcano dream. Life is beautiful, but you didn't have a clue. Darling, I am not gonna sign up for you. Careless talks are awakening. Realize you were faking. I don't wanna waste your time. You can be the king in your own volcano dreams. You can be the king in your own volcano dreams. Oh, I hate to admit it, but I'm not proud of you. You were missing me because you were blue. So in your volcano dreams, you can be king. I don't wanna rush. I don't wanna watch you sing. Yeah, the stars are awakening. Realize you were faking. I don't wanna waste your time. You can be the king in your own volcano dream. You can be the king in your own volcano dream. You can be the king in your own volcano dream.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to let me know what you think and join me next weekend. I will be doing a male artist cover. Thank you so much.